Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Talk About Your Future.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
This podcast helps you practice easy English speaking.
Yes, we speak slowly, clearly, and simply.
Today's topic is your future.
We will talk about dreams, plans, and goals.
You will learn new phrases and practice speaking.
So listen, then speak, then listen again.
If you like learning English with us, please like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with your friends.
Ready to talk about your future?
Let's start.
Future dreams and plans. Stephanie, let me ask you, what is your dream?
My dream is to travel the world.
Nice. You said, my dream is. This is a very useful phrase. Repeat after me. My dream is.
My dream is.
Another example, my dream is to help people.
My dream is to speak English well.
Great job if you repeated. Now you speak. My dream is. Pause.
Very good. You are improving already.
Listen, discuss, then listen again. Listen again. My dream is to travel the world.
My dream is to travel the world.
What is your dream?
Say it again. My dream is. Pause.
Nice speaking.
Section, future job. Stephanie, what job do you want in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
Good. You used I want to be. Repeat. I want to be.
I want to be a doctor.
I want to be an artist.
I want to be a business owner.
Your turn. I want to be. Pause.
Great job.
Real life dialogue practice. Stephanie, what do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher.
Why?
Because I like helping people.
Nice answer. Now you answer. What do you want to be? Pause.
Why? Pause.
Excellent speaking practice.
Section, future plans. Stephanie, what are your future plans?
I plan to study more.
Good phrase. I plan to. Repeat. I plan to.
I plan to save money.
I plan to learn English.
I plan to travel next year.
Your turn. I plan to. Pause.
Nice speaking. Section, next year. Stephanie, what will you do next year?
I will start a new job.
Good. You used I will. Repeat. I will.
I will study English.
I will travel more.
I will exercise every day.
Now you. I will. Pause.
Great.
Listen, repeat, then speak. Listen. I will learn English.
Repeat. I will learn English.
Speak. I will. Pause.
Perfect. Section, life goals. Stephanie, what is your life goal?
My goal is to be happy.
Beautiful. Phrase, my goal is. Repeat. My goal is.
My goal is to be happy.
My goal is to help my family.
My goal is to have a good job.
My goal is to live in a big city.
Your turn. My goal is. Pause.
Amazing work.
Encouragement moment.
If you are learning English, you are building your future.
Yes, every day, small steps.
You are doing great.
Keep going. Don't stop.
Your future is bright.
We believe in you. Section, future life. Stephanie, where do you want to live?
I want to live near the sea.
Nice. Phrase, I want to live in. Repeat. I want to live in.
I want to live in a city.
I want to live in a small town.
I want to live in another country.
Your turn. I want to live in. Pause.
Great speaking. Conversation practice. Where do you want to live? Pause.
Why?
Pause. Nice answer.
Section, future family. Stephanie, do you want a big family?
Yes, I want 2 children.
Phrase, I want in the future. Repeat. I want in the future.
I want a happy family in the future.
I want a house in the future.
I want a car in the future.
Now you. I want in the future. Pause.
Excellent.
Section, daily future practice.
Let's practice many future sentences. Repeat after us. I will learn English.
I will work hard.
I will follow my dream.
I will not give up.
I will succeed.
Your turn. Say all 5. Pause.
Amazing speaking practice.
Section, motivation dialogue. Stephanie, sometimes the future is scary.
Yes, but we can be brave.
We can try.
We can learn.
We can grow.
The future is opportunity.
The future is hope.
The future is yours.
Let's talk about your future. Stephanie, in the future, what new skill do you want to learn?
I want to learn cooking.
Nice. You said, I want to learn. Repeat. I want to learn.
I want to learn cooking.
I want to learn driving.
I want to learn English better.
Your turn. I want to learn. Pause.
Very good.
Listen, speak, repeat. Listen. I want to learn cooking.
Speak. I want to learn. Pause.
Repeat. I want to learn cooking.
Great job. Future skills.
Stephanie, why do you want to learn driving?
Because I want freedom.
Good sentence. Because I want freedom. Repeat. Because I want.
Because I want freedom.
Because I want a good job.
Because I want success.
Your turn. Because I want. Pause. Nice speaking.
Conversation practice. What do you want to learn? Pause.
Why?
Pause.
Excellent answer. Section Future Study. Stephanie, will you study more in the future?
Yes, I will study every day.
Phrase, I will study. Repeat. I will study.
I will study English.
I will study online.
I will study at night.
Your turn. I will study. Pause.
Good.
Study dialogue. When will you study?
When will you study? I will study in the evening.
Where will you study?
I will study at home.
Now you answer. When will you study? Pause. Where will you study? Pause.
Nice practice.
Section Future Work Life. Stephanie, in the future, how will you work?
I will work hard.
Phrase, I will work. Repeat. I will work.
I will work hard.
I will work smart.
I will work every day.
Your turn. I will work. Pause.
Great.
Motivation lines. I will not be lazy.
I will stay focused.
I will keep trying.
I will improve.
Say all four. Pause. Excellent. Section Future Money. Stephanie, will you save money in the future?
Yes, I will save money.
Phrase, I will save. Repeat. I will save.
I will save money.
I will save every month.
I will save for my family.
Your turn. I will save. Pause.
Nice.
Real life dialogue.
Why will you save money? Because I want security.
Because I want a house.
Because I want a car.
Your answer. Because I want. Pause.
Good job.
Section Future Health. Stephanie, how will you stay healthy?
I will exercise.
Phrase, I will exercise. Repeat. I will exercise.
I will exercise daily.
I will exercise in the morning.
I will exercise at home.
Your turn. I will exercise. Pause.
Great.
Healthy future dialogue. Will you eat healthy?
Yes, I will eat healthy food.
I will eat fruit.
I will drink water.
Say both. I will eat healthy food. I will drink water. Pause.
Perfect.
Section Future Confidence. Stephanie, in the future, will you be confident?
Yes, I will be confident.
Phrase, I will be. Repeat. I will be.
I will be confident.
I will be strong.
I will be successful.
Your turn. I will be. Pause.
Nice.
Confidence practice. Say after me. I will believe in myself.
I will not fear.
I will try again.
I will grow.
Your turn. All four. Pause.
Amazing.
Section Future Lifestyle. Stephanie, what lifestyle do you want?
I want a simple life.
Phrase, I want a life. Repeat. I want a life.
I want a peaceful life.
I want a busy life.
I want a happy life.
Your turn. I want a. Pause.
Great speaking.
Section Future Routine.
Stephanie, describe your future day.
I will wake up early.
I'll work.
I will study.
I will relax.
I will sleep early. Now you say your future day. Pause.
Nice routine.
Section Long Future Speaking Practice.
Repeat this full future plan. I will wake up early.
I will exercise.
I will work hard.
I will learn daily.
I will save money.
I will sleep early.
Pause. Excellent speaking.
Section Encouragement. Your future is created today.
Small actions, big future.
One step daily.
Never stop learning.
Never stop trying.
You are building your future now.
English Future Dialogue.
Stephanie, why will you practice English?
Because I want confidence.
Because I want a good job.
Because I want to travel. Your answer, because I want. Pause.
Excellent speaking.
Section Future Travel.
Stephanie, in the future, where will you travel?
I will travel abroad.
Phrase, I will travel. Repeat, I will travel.
I will travel abroad.
I will travel with family.
I will travel alone. Your turn.
I will travel. Pause. Nice.
When will you travel?
I will travel next year.
I will travel in summer.
I will travel after work.
Your turn. I will travel. Pause.
Great.
Section Future Friends. Stephanie, what friends do you want in the future?
I want positive friends.
Phrase, I want friends. Repeat, I want friends.
I want honest friends.
I want kind friends.
I want supportive friends.
Your turn. I want friends. Pause.
Nice. Friendship dialogue.
Why do you